Hello and welcome, I'm Chintan and you're watching Archivizion. In this video today we'll be taking a look at how to model this shape inside of Sketchup without using any plugins. So let's take a look at that, let's go. Okay, so jump into Sketchup and let me set this to 20. Yeah, so start by making a rectangle in the violet plane. Something like this. Now select this all and make this a component. Right click, make component, create. Now we need to drag a copy of this and multiply it by 4, so we get 4 copies. So press the M key and hold the control key to drag 4 copies and type 4x, so we get 4 copies. Now to model a shape we need a subdivided rectangle, so for that edit the component and select the left edge and drag a copy of it and divide it by 6 parts so that we get 6 equal parts of the rectangle. Similarly, drag a copy of the bottom edge and drag it to the top and press divide 3 so that we get 3 equal parts. Now we need to rotate these components by 9 degrees to each other. So drag the first 4 and rotate by 9. Now deselecting the second last, rotate the remaining 3 by 9 degrees as well. Now deselect this and rotate these 2 by 9 degrees like this, and deselect this and rotate the last one by 9 degrees as well. So that you get something like this. Now edit the component and rotate the top 2 parts by 3 degrees each. So press Q and rotate by 3. Select the top part and press Q and rotate this by 3 degrees as well. Now just by selecting the top edge, rotate that by 3 degrees as well. So this will snap and you will get a shape or a subdivided face that is twisted. So we can drag a copy of the whole thing. So press M and press Ctrl and drag a copy. Now by using the rotate tool we can correct this and join it up. So press Q and rotate like this, and we will get a shape that looks like this. Now just right click and explode it all, and you will make this a group and you will get a shape, and you can smooth it and probably color it as well. So yeah, in this way you can model the shape, and this would act as a twisted face that you can model, and it gives you the ability to model these kind of parametric shapes inside of Sketchup. So if you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe, do your thing, and I will see you in the next video.